Hi guys, it's me Kia again. So today I'm partnering up with Birom Polishes to show you their new winter holographic nail polish collection. So I've already talked about this brand before on my channel. Like I remember swatching a few shades from their Sand Effect nail polish collection. And yes, of course, if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I've swatched the whole of their Magnetic Cat Eye collection. And yeah, today I have for you their winter holographic nail polish collection that they recently launched. But I'm not gonna be showing you the normal swatches. Like if you want to see the swatches of these polishes, then you have to head over to my Instagram, because either I've swatched all the polishes or I'm in the middle of swatching them, because I don't know when this video is gonna go up. So yeah, if you want to see the swatches, follow me on my Instagram. But today I'm gonna be creating a gradient with these holographic polishes on my nails. Yes guys, my personal natural nails gonna feature in this video, no fake nails here. So yeah, if you want to see how I create a gradient and how the gradient effect looks with these holographic polishes, then you better keep on watching the video. Alright, before we get into the gradient nail art, let's give these polishes like a minute guys. Let's see how beautiful these polishes and their new packaging is. So this collection has 10 beautiful shades, beautiful holographic shades, and each of these polish like retails for 499 rupees and you can get them at Amazon. But guys, here is the deal. They are currently on a great discount. So if you want to save some money, get them now. And yeah, each of these polishes comes like individually packed in a velvet matte cardboard box, on which Birom has embedded a beautiful holographic logo. Can you see it guys? It's so beautiful, like I can spend hours watching this effect. Now in each bottle you get 10 ml of product, and as you can see on the side, they've mentioned their social media handles and again a beautiful holographic Birom logo. Your style statement. Yes guys, they are beautiful style statements for your nails. When you see on the other side, the box clearly says that they're vegan and cruelty free, so that gets like a double thumbs up from my side. And some other instructions and everything is mentioned on the box. Now if you see the top of the box, the number and the polished name is mentioned on top of the box. And when you open the box, you see the hashtag, right? My Birom. So if you post any nail art using these polishes, you can like put this hashtag so that Birom can see your post as well, right? Now when you open this box, you see a clear instruction, check well before use. Such a cute thing to add, like such a cute detailing. And guys, here is your polish. So on the polish as well, you can see a holographic logo plus the quantity and everything. On the bottom of the bottle, the number of the shade is mentioned. I'm a little miffed about them not mentioning the name of the color on the bottle, but I guess the boxes are too pretty to throw anyway, so you can refer the name from the cardboard boxes. So Birom has definitely made some changes in their new collection. The first thing you can see is of course the bottle shape. The previous bottle shape they had was a round one, while these ones are more of a square one. And the second thing they have changed is like the brush shape, which is like the best thing they did. As you can see in the picture, they previously had a thin flat brush, straight brush, but now they have a wide flat rounded brush, which makes it very easy to apply the polishes near the cuticle. Like this is the best thing they did. And of course they have added now the agitator ball so that the formula is well mixed for any time you use these polishes. And yes, these polishes are like 100% holographic. You can see that in my swatches on my Instagram. I don't have to like mention it again and again. You can see it with your eyes, right? Okay, I guess this is all about these polishes. Now let's start with the gradient nail art. Now the first step I'm gonna do is, yes, of course, apply a base coat, and this time I'm gonna be using the smoothing base coat from Birom itself. It's from their new nail care range, and if you want to know more about this base coat, then head over to my Instagram. Maybe I've already posted, and if not, then stay there, I will for sure. So I'm just applying a single coat of this base coat, and guys, can you already see how beautiful my nails look? Like, I can go out with this base coat on my nails, like just this base coat. My nails look so healthy. Prep is all done. Now I'm gonna be choosing like a few shades from this collection because I'm pretty sure I cannot fit all 10 on my nails. Oh, which is pretty sad actually, but it's okay. We're gonna be picking a few shades that complement each other, and I'm gonna be creating a gradient using that. So the shades I've chosen are Love Dose, Lady in Gold, Rainforest, Mystique Blue, Purple Rain, and Cranberry Cosmo. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be painting very thin lines on my sponge because I want to fit all the colors on my sponge and of course on my